Moment of truth.
Let's just see if it fits in the walls.
Thank you to SmartWings for sponsoring this video.
Today we're continuing our RV makeover and we're in the living room and dining room.
Welcome back to our channel. We are going to be replacing the couch, putting new window coverings in, and kind of revamping the dining table situation.
Yeah.
That's really all
That's
that we're
it.
tackling.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Somehow it'll probably appear more difficult by the end of this video. Let's get started.
Okay.
This is the RV before we started renovating it. Since then we have painted and floored everything, and you can catch up on anything you've missed in our RV makeover playlist.
The feet are what makes it 77.5. Up here is 77. So if we do new feet, we can make it fit.
It could exactly fit into the space.
I mean, that's like toit like a tiger fit.
Is that the phrase?
Yeah.
Toy like a tiger?
Yeah.
But in this color.
This was a bunch of searching. We had to do a bunch of looking for this guy.
Yeah, we looked online a lot for a couch that hopefully will fit into this space and that we can modify. We wanted it as close as possible to the edges so that we can completely hide
This scenario.
all of that.
The wheel well.
Yeah. See if this fits. Moment of truth.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's see. Wait, is this temporary because we have to make a box underneath? But let's just see if it fits in the walls. Oh, no. Okay, put your end.
No. I was like, cannot be this far out. Oh, that fits. Is yours in? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is like...
It's got loads of space.
Loads of space.
I
That's
can
like a
almost
quarter
fit
inch.
my finger in.
A quarter inch isn't loads of space. It fits,
fits.
really nice.
And it's lighter than our old couch.
Yeah.
So like weight-wise, it works.
Okay, well, I will make a box.
Gonna do some more IKEA work. We have another IKEA project in here. This is the hem knees, I think it's called, but it's like the shoe cabinet from IKEA. I really hated just having my kids' shoes everywhere in here, and there's nothing at the front entry that's functional in the trailer. So I figured if we just put this cabinet in, modified it a little bit, it can be kind of the back of our dining room seat. And I'm hoping it will fit right beside the door so everybody can come in, throw their flip-flops in or whatever, and then keep the floor in the RV a little bit cleaner. Hopefully we can make it fit nicely. So assemble an IKEA cabinet. I already know that we don't want the feet on this. It's just gonna make the whole piece too tall. We're just gonna cut this piece of the leg off right away before I get any further with the building, because it's gonna be much harder to cut off if we have the whole piece assembled. That looks perfect. Okay, next step. Click, click, click. Now want to click. What's wrong with you? Click. Okay, done. So she's built, but we did not attach the top because I'm hoping to modify the top I'm not sure 100% what I want to do yet, but I know that I don't like how much overhang there is here, like how much it sticks out from the edge. So either I want to like bring it close, or maybe potentially create a whole new top that matches some of the other wood tones that are going into here. So I'm just going to brainstorm with that with Russell. Really happy with this.
Yeah, so then I add a bottom piece. Okay, I have a plan. Okay. Oh, nice, just under the window.
Perfect. We've put the old dinette pieces back in here because we're hoping they can still act as the same frame for our new dinette. But there used to be a cabinet all here.
Picture me as a cabinet, and this is me opening the door.
To yourself. And the dinette was much smaller.
And the table went from kind of the walkway to the wall.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do, instead of having a table to the wall, I want to shift the table this way so that it's longer and we can put some seating back there. So now we're going to have seating here, here, and across here. And I think by stretching it all out, we can do that and it will still look really nice. What I'm thinking is we take the backs off both of these because we don't want this. And then we'll start the wall panel on the wall.
Mm-hmm. Right, that works. So, what do you think?
I think this works a lot better.
Yeah. So we'll keep these two as storage. This one will just have a piece on it.
Yeah. So now we're going to clad it with wood.
Yeah, I think that's what you decided, right? We're not painting these.
I love where it's going. I think it's going to look really good.
Okay, so you know how you asked me to put a light where a light didn't ever exist and had no wiring?
Yes.
You have a light.
Yeah.
It doesn't turn on, but the light is there.
It does turn on. This is our new light. DIY expanded bench seat is in.
So if you were a table and this was the top, this is what it would look like.
That looks awesome. That looks cool.
I know. I'm really happy with it.
And this is where the little shoe cabinet will sit.
The nice thing too is like you can sit, this is a bigger table and you could play from the couch.
Yeah, you can utilize the seating on this side more.
I'm happy how it all came together.
Yeah, me too.
You might have seen in our bedroom makeover, we added some new blinds to the space. The old RV blinds, they were the old kind of accordion style. They were all bent, especially in the kids area. They just didn't look nice. So these are SmartWings roller blinds. Probably the one thing I like about them the most is how easy they are to install. I probably installed these quicker than I took all the old stuff off the wall. They're also really easy to use. They come with a simple remote and you can put different channels for different zones. We are using them in our RV, but these would also be perfect in the house. You have a whole bunch of different configurations for these, so you can work with different kinds of windows and side casings. There's different motor types, so it's really nice on how customizable these roller shades are. if you're looking for blinds, I would highly recommend these. I was really impressed on how they installed and how they work, and we actually have a discount code, so that is even better for those of you who like to save.
They look so good.
Yeah. What I really like too is like
Yay! Oh, they look so good. That's perfect.
it is. They're the coolest.
And look what I can do.
Camera probably didn't even see me looking at the remote to make sure it's on the right button.
Now that these benches are built, it's time to do all of the panels and upholstery. I say in quotes because it's not really that tough, hopefully. We'll be reusing some of the bottom cushions and then adding the new foam piece into the middle and just doing some really simple upholstery corners so that we can wrap them around the bottom. And then what I want to do at the top is some little thin panels that are just part of the wall. So not going all the way from top to bottom, because I think it'll give it a nice like minimalist vibe, but still be comfy enough to lean against. So that's the hope. That's what we're going to tackle next.
So where do you want it? Like here?
No, lower, lower.
If you do it like that, then it's
No,
like...
that looks horrible.
Oh. Here?
No, higher.
Here?
Like a little titch lower. Like a titch. That's too much.
That's a titch. Here.
Little bit higher. Titch. Just a titch. Like one more titch.
Is that good? Yeah,
That's good.
Thank you.
Fine. Well, I want it to look nice.
I know, but I'm also holding a whole bunch of things.
You're holding like 2-3 things max.
Listen. Perfect amount of titch.
As a reminder, here's what this space looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. As always, here is a budget breakdown for this part of the makeover.
The living room / eating area is done.
Woohoo!
There's more work than I thought it was going to be.
Same.
Yeah, this was supposed to be the easy space.
It was supposed to be the easy space, but it looks amazing.
It does. This looks like a new RV.
It looks completely different. Yeah.
And
you could easily sell this.
we're not going
We're not going to.
Thanks to SmartWings for these blinds because they totally changed the look of the space and they're 100, if not 200% better than the old blinds.
Stay tuned. We have this space and this space still to complete, so make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell so your notifications are turned on, and go down to the comments and let us know what you thought of this video and RV makeover.
Thanks so much for watching.